Hey guys, welcome back to some Panda3D tutorials. This is Master Max, and let's get right into it. Alright, so from the last episode, you should have this right here in untitled.py. You should have this folder with the phase files in it. You should have these three applications, and yeah, this just comes from, this is created when you execute a file, and just creates that. Don't mess with this. If you didn't read my description in the last video, to get the phase files, there's another link to another channel, Lausinus, I can't really pronounce it. She does a very great job of explaining how to set up everything. So so if you don't have these phase files, you want to go into go to her video and just follow the steps in the description to get those. Alright, so I'm just going to assume you have them, and let's just get started, okay? So, we're going to load a model in. Alright, to do this, we need to import some files, okay? So you can go ahead and get rid of this, or you can, if you don't want it to execute, put a hashtag symbol or a pound symbol. The pound symbol just means it's a note. The Python will not run anything that has a hashtag or a pound symbol in front of it. Like, all this will be skipped. So click execute, just does nothing. Okay, so that's basically a note. All right, so what you're wanting to do, you want to write import direct base, direct start. Okay, I'll show you what this does. Okay, this will import the file from direct base, and it imports this file right here. It imports that file into the untitled py. Okay. So next thing, we're going to load a model in. Or we're going to do Toontown Central Playground. Name it whatever you want. I'll name it TTC Playground equals loader dot load model. Put parentheses, a quote or a parenthesis, or not parenthesis, a quote or an apostrophe. What you want to go do is, if you have phase 15, you want to go click phase 15 hood Toontown Central. Okay, and to view that, we're going to view it first. So right click on it, click open with. Alright, I have it selected already. What you're going to do is click browse. You're going to go into the folder, the new folder that I have that you made. So new folder. Alright, click preview, open, and check always use a selected program to open this kind of file. And it opens it up with this, opens up with preview. Give it a second to load. You can view, you can just look at the file. Alright, to move inward and outward, you want to hold the right click button. To move from left to right, up and down, anywhere, hold the left click button. If you want to rotate, I haven't figured that out. To double right click and left click, you can move around in any direction. Just rotate it basically. Yeah, there's Toontown Central. Okay, so that's what we're going to load. So you want to get this right here. You're going to go phase 15 hood. So put phase underscore 15 slash hood slash whatever the file is called, which is called Toontown Central.bam, and it has to be exactly what the name is, or else it will not load. So you put Toontown underscore Central.bam. End it with the apostrophe and a parentheses, and there you go. So what you have done right here is you have loaded this file into the game, into the Panda3D. Alright, now if we execute it, this is what's going to happen. Nothing happens. That's because we don't have a code in there. You must put at the end of everything. The very last code you should have in every single file you ever do is run. Parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay? This tells, the run command tells Python to run everything. Okay? So we're going to execute now. We just have a gray screen. Okay? To get rid of this gray screen and to actually see the model in the game, what you're going to do is the name of the file that you want to put in, TTC playground. You're going to put dot read parent to parenthesis render. This puts it in the game. The code just puts it in the game. Alright, execute it. And there you go, it's in the game. Alright. Look at that beautiful 210 intro. Alright. Now, if you want to change the position of where the where the playground is, you put TTC playground dot set POS. The POS stands for position. You're setting the position. Alright, so say we want it, and it's on the XYZ axis. So X goes to the right 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. The first one is the x-axis, means it will go to the right 1. Alright, this is the y-axis, it'll go up 1. The z-axis is back and forth. So it'll go, I think it's front 1. I think it's forward 1. I'm not sure. Let's find out. And yep, it was forward 1. Alright. So yeah. And if you want to spin it around, say you want to spin it upside down, do TTC playground. Oops. Dot set HPR. Alright. Now say you want to spin upside down, do 180 0 0. Okay. You just went basically backwards. Notice where we started. Alright. And if you want to actually place it inside the game, just do the name dot place. Very useful. If it'll come on. There it is. Yeah, when you do the place thing, it'll there's an error. Oh, we need another import. My apologies. Hold on real quick. And this should happen. Let's go into here it is. Alright, what you want to type in is from Panda3D Panda modules import asterisk. This asterisk tells the Python to import every file that's in this folder. Alright, it should work now. And there it is. Alright, and then you can place the playground anywhere you want. Alright, so let's get a, oops, yeah, be careful. Yeah, slide, I don't use it much. Alright, so we can move it to the right. So notice it's moving to the right. Well, it's not, well, it's moving to the right, we're not moving. It is. Alright, you can move it up and down, or forward and back, my apologies. Z is up and down. So Z up, down. Just flips it, just spins it around, upside down. Alright, that's it. That's it for this video. See you guys.